It is now 10 a.m. With that, I call this meeting to order. Before we proceed with the briefing by the Department of Education on the revised senior high school, with the permission of the lady from ACT Teachers Party List, the Honorable Franz Castro, and the lady from the 6th District of Quezon City, the Honorable Maria Victoria Copilar, may we ask DepEd to briefly answer some of the current issues. Una, ano yung issue on the grade 13 that you propose or DepEd proposes to introduce? Ano itong grade 13 ng DepEd? Pero let them answer.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
We have no such proposal for grade 13 po. We only have grade 11 and 12. So that was, that's fake news po, Mr. Chair.
Yes, pero ASEC, just to be to be clarified, merong fake news na lumabas at you are aware of that it alleges that DepEd proposes a grade 13 this coming school year. So aware kayo doon?
We've seen that, Mr. Chair. We actually released an announcement from the DepEd Philippines Facebook page na sinasabi pong hindi po totoo yun.
So walang unit, walang grupo ng mga tao within DepEd, walang pinag-uusapan na grade 13?
Wala po, Mr.
Walang
Chair.
intention na magkaroon ng grade 13?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
So talagang completely fake news yan?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Sige, what are you doing about this fake news, aside from releasing a statement? Kasi apparently lumabas sa YouTube, di ba? Are you going after the personalities who have released this fake news?
We're working on that, Mr. Chair. We're investigating kung saan po
Yes.
talaga nanggaling, Mr.
Oo.
Chair.
Kasi it creates panic na may proposed grade 13 So again, for the record, walang grade 13 na pinag-uusapan that will be proposed or is proposed by the Department of Education.
That is correct po, Mr. Chair. There's no grade 13.
Okay.